$1,000 for a hand of banana in the market here in Montego Bay. That's crazy, man. Charles Garden Market, that's what it's called, right here in Montego Bay. $1,000 for a hand of banana. Make it make sense. Everything is expensive, especially after Hurricane Melissa. How are you doing? How is everybody doing? Thanks for joining in. This is Island Max here, caught up in the traffic in Montego Bay. I don't want to stay in this traffic, you know. Listen, I had to leave the banana. I couldn't get the banana. I'm not going to stay in this traffic here. Why am I going to do this? Alright, I'm going to pull off the stunt here now. I have to go reverse. This traffic here is too tough. Straight back where I reverse. I can't stay in this traffic, I swear. It's crazy. Alright, here goes nothing. Straight out where reverse going on. I don't want to get caught in the traffic, I swear. Ah, we made it. Straight out of Charles Garden Market. Listen, man. Island Max, make sure that you subscribe. Market too expensive. I had to hightail out of the market, I swear. And then the rains and the traffic. Guess where we're heading today? We're heading to Fairview Shopping Center. Ensure that you tap that subscribe button. Like the video. Subscribe, man. Showing you the beauty of Jamaica. Because of Jamaica, you know. Even one finger of planting. One finger of planting is how much now? $400, $500 for one finger of planting. My word, market is expensive, man. $250 for one orange, $200 for one orange. I didn't catch a Saturday sale, so those are the prices I'm seeing today. It's a beautiful rainy morning in Montego Bay. Oh my word, we're trying to make our way across town. This is Lower Bevan Avenue. We're going on Howard Cup Boulevard. Howard Cup Boulevard, here we come. Yeah man, we're drinking some soursop juice. Soursop in the morning. Happy New Year again. If I didn't catch a video where I wish everybody Happy New Year. Happy New Year. May God continue to bless each and every one, especially Jamaica. Alright, let me turn on this wiper. My, look at Montego Bay. We're under the weather. It has been like this for a few days now. It's almost like it's Christmas now. You don't normally have rains now. We normally have rains in April, but we're getting rains right now in January. Today is January 5, Monday, January 5. Some schools are open, so a lot of students are in school, some are at home. Rooftop damage, the roof of the schools damaged by Hurricane Melissa. So as Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness said, when you're rebuilding, you have to rebuild in mind that we could get another hurricane. Alright, so we get the green light now. We're heading over into Fairview. Let me see what's happening here. See the sign there, Fairview Shopping Complex ahead. To the right it is Freeport, to the left is Bogue, Lucy, Negril. Alright, let's just stay in this lane here. These potholes, man, right at the front of the shopping center. You have to slow right down. Man. Alright. This is what Fairview Shopping Center look like. Scotiabank drive-thru is on the left. Imperial Optical Jamaica is there. Computer Depot is here as well. A lot of the banks are here. So what Fairview looks like on a Monday morning. Rainy Monday morning. CIBC, that's NC. Oh, the NCB, the sign on top of the building is damaged. Progressive Foods, the sign is damaged as well. Progressive Foods is on the left. So the new hardware out here is Total. See the big TOTAL there at the top of the building? That's the newest section of Fairview right now. I haven't been in there as yet. I need to have a look in there. I need a power tool. Beautiful Montego Bay. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Tap that subscribe button. Listen, man, we're building this community. We're showing you what Montego Bay. I give you recent updates on what Montego Bay is going on with. Ensure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share the video as well. Head to the comments. Let me know where you're watching this video from and who is watching the video. Let me know that you love Jamaica. Tap on the video now, seeing on the screen. Check out all our videos. One love Jamaica. Bless.